Good morning, everyone. My name is Mohan Kumar Chirelia, and I am from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have completed my engineering from RJPV University in 2019. My organization name is eVision Techno Services Provided Limited. I joined this company as a desktop support engineer. My company generally deals with IT services. I hold almost 1 year experience in this company. Our client is Microchip Technologies. As a desktop support engineer, my work is to support all hardware trouble solutions and also issues related to server, Microsoft Outlook, and configuration of software and application, and configuration of printer for both local and on server. I, along with my team, handled over 200 systems and users. In our team, we have one service desk engineer, one server admin, one server manager, and two desktop support engineer. In daily basis, I resolve almost 20 to 25 tickets per day. My manager name is Mr. Ganesh sir. We are using license Symantec antivirus. Also, we are using licensed Windows operating system, which are Windows 10 Pro and Windows Server 2016. We have our own ticketing tool, which is cloud-based CRM. When I reach my office, my first priority is to check my emails and status of tickets. My previous salary is 12,500 per month in my company. My expected salary is according to my company's norm. My short-term goal is to joining a good company where I learn many advanced technologies to improve skills, and I also want to growth in my career and for my organization also. My long-term goal is to become a server admin. I have my own strengths and weaknesses. My strength is I am very extremely persistent person, and if I'm stuck on some problems, then I will not leave it until I will comfortably resolve that issue. I am also a good listener. I am a result oriented person. My weaknesses are I'm not so punctual with time and I'm emotional. I'm working on it. My hobbies are playing chess and learning new things in it. I also like different kind of musics. I think I am appropriate person for this job. My qualities will make me perfect candidate for this post. If I selected by the organization, then I will become a positive asset for the company. If I get selected, then I will join the organization immediately and relocate myself if necessary. Thank you.